Welcome to HelloBar. It's Albert here, and for the next tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sync your HelloBar contacts to your Sender email program and add your pop-up sign-in emails to your mailing list and also automate email sending. To get started, we will create a group in Sender under subscribers, and this is the group that we will sync to our HelloBar contacts. Let's click on groups, then create your first group. Let's just put in HelloBar and then hit save. Our group is now ready. Let's proceed with the next step, which is creating a workflow. Let's click on automation, and from here we'll be able to create a workflow wherein the new customers that signs up on our HelloBar pop-up will receive an autoresponder email. So let's click on create your first workflow. Let's just put in HB autoresponder. The trigger that we will select is the subscriber joins a group. That way we'll be able to send emails to our new subscriber. So let's just hit the plus sign and let's select send email to the subscriber. Next is we will create our email. So let's put in the subject. So HelloBar sign up, just for example. And let's select an email design. For this example, let's just select a plain text. So hit create email content, and let's create an email to welcome our new subscribers. Let's say thank you for signing up to our mailing list. We are happy to have you on board. So let's just keep it as simple as that, but obviously you can create your own welcome email. So let's hit save and continue. So as you can see at the top right, there's a status here. It says 1 out of 2 steps has not been completed. So let's check it. It says the trigger is not defined. Let's click on it. Okay, so it's asking us to select the trigger. So the trigger is subscriber joins a group, and we will select the group, which is the HelloBar group that we created. Let's hit save. That's it. You can now activate the workflow and create the automation. We will now proceed with creating the integration in HelloBar. So in the HelloBar admin dashboard, navigate under contacts. And let's create a new contact list. Let's hit the new contact list button and let's name it Sender Integration. Let's hit show all tools and we'll select Sender. Now it's asking for the API key. We will get this from the Sender admin. So let's head back in Sender. Let's go to settings and API access tokens. Let's wait for it to load and let's click create API token, and we will select forever for the validity and hit create. So we have created our token. Now let's copy it and let's head back to HelloBar to paste. Hit connect, and then we will select our HelloBar group, which is the one we created in Sender. Hit save, and that's it. It's all set. We can now assign this HelloBar integrated to Sender contact list to our pop-up. We'll do that by creating a new pop-up here. We'll select grow your email list. Let's select a layout. Let's choose the pop-up model, and then under conversion we will select the Sender integrated contact list from the list. Finally, we'll hit publish. Okay, that concludes our tutorial on how to sync HelloBar contacts to Sender. Try HelloBar now and convert more than 83% of your site visitors into leads, subscribers, and buyers. Thank you for watching.